Let's make a hearty chicken curry to fill our home with warmth and delicious aromas. Chopping onions, isn't it funny how they always make us cry? Maybe it's their way of saying they are worth it. This smell, it's like a hug from my childhood. My mom always said onions and garlic are the foundation of magic. Spices, they are like people. Each one adds its own character to the mix, creating something extraordinary together. Cooking takes patience. It's a reminder to slow down even when life feels rushed. And in the end, it's more than just food. It's comfort, love, and a little bit of me in